These challenging times are filled with uncertainty, record job losses, constant market fluctuations, and insurance coverage that suddenly might seem inadequate. By taking the time to objectively evaluate your current situation with your advisor, you can mitigate the risk of making a costly financial mistake driven by the stress of the moment. Your advisor can help take emotion out of the equation and pinpoint the hidden opportunities that are present in any crisis. For example, a market downturn may present an opportunity to acquire equities at a lower price point and position you to benefit from a recovery. The loss of a job is always unsettling, but it might allow you to pursue a new and potentially more lucrative career path, perhaps in a new field. This is also a time to reevaluate your current health and insurance coverage and address any gaps that your advisor can help you discover. Working with your advisor helps you protect yourself from risks and reap the rewards of this time of crisis through smart financial planning. To learn how to turn crisis into opportunity, call us for a complimentary consultation today.